But first we have this thing that is supposed to represent a data model. Got wheels, right? It's got a little dinosaur foot, looks like here, and a wing. And theoretically, if we put all of this together, it could be something that works and maybe even rolls. But the way that it's put together, you can see that the tire doesn't even move, right? Because something's blocking it. The wing doesn't actually, it's not very aerodynamic, it's backwards, because presumably this is the front, right? This dinosaur foot is just over here sideways, right? This is something that you could absolutely encounter in inheriting any kind of code base, database. This is realistically something that you would encounter, right? So, but as long as you stick to having the most basic building blocks established, right? As long as you know that these are your pieces, you can put them together in a way that actually makes sense and is not going to look like an airplane with a dinosaur foot sticking out sideways from it, right? You can make something a little bit more logical looking, which I'm going to do while I talk. So we might end up with something like this, which now actually resembles a plane at least. It probably doesn't drive or fly because it still only has 2 wheels, but we can add features later on, right?